Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, hey, welcome back in. Just a quick peek out the home view. You can see that after some storms earlier today, things have now brightened up for us once again, at least in most cases. Still some storms off in the distance if you're looking outside of Richmond or even outside of Paris, but ultimately we're seeing some clearing behind a few storms that came through earlier this afternoon. Live radar shows that most of the activity in Lexington's metro is gone. There's a few isolated instances out west and then a few more like working towards Mount Sterling and Stanton here tonight. We'll continue to have a couple of isolated thunderstorms as they move into Breathitt County as well, with heavy rainfall being the main threat. Not seeing much outside of maybe some 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts and pea-sized hail. The isolated chance for maybe a flash flood if heavy enough rainfall of 1 to 2 inches per hour can be observed. But we have not seen that in full yet here across at least the Fox 56 viewing area. Out near Pikeville, there's a flash flood warning ongoing still. But the bigger story here for us overall is the flood watch. Now from Thursday night through 2 a.m. on Sunday for multiple rounds of scattered showers and thunderstorms that will likely bring the chance of anywhere from now until Sunday morning 1 to 3 inches of widespread rainfall opportunities. You tack on a couple of stronger storms with rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour, and we could easily see in some isolated or localized instances rainfall rates that exceed this by a great margin even at times too. And this is our main concern moving forward. The flash flooding opportunity the rest of tonight and tomorrow, there's outlooks for these, just like what we talk about for severe weather. There's flood risks. This one is out of a scale of 4. Tonight, a 1. With most storms wrapping up already, I think we're going to be okay. Before we get into tomorrow's chances, we start to see an increase. So level 2 across western and central Kentucky, meaning maybe a bit more scattered opportunities for some of those heavy downpours. And on Friday, the entire state, most of the region is covered in this. Now, again, this is a broad look at isolated flash flooding potential. This is not by any means going to be a huge widespread event, although a few counties could get tacked together at a time as some of these stronger storms develop. Now, Futurecast likes to fade most of this out through the overnight hours, but it does hint at the opportunity for a couple isolated chances again right away tomorrow morning with more scattered development into your afternoon. Hit or miss once more on your Thursday, not anticipating much in terms of severe weather, at least during the daytime hours, outside of the heavy rainfall potential. There is the opportunity for some stronger storms in the overnight, but the complex of storms, which you see here, this is midnight into Friday now, is going to be weakening as it gets here. So our severe threat looks low, and it's going to be as storms wane. Now, as we go into Friday, the scattered activity continues on and off for us in a big way, with the opportunity for, again, a couple maybe stronger storms bringing heavy rainfall. A second round of potentially severe weather goes overnight again Friday into Saturday as another complex weakening as it gets here moves through. And unfortunately, these on and off storm chances will continue as the front stalls out through a good chunk of Saturday, finally wrapping up sometime by Sunday. As far as our severe weather, mainly a wind threat, severe weather outlook goes, we have a level 1 that just inches into central Kentucky. Again, an overnight threat Thursday night into Friday, and then again Friday night into Saturday, an overnight level 1 out of 5 chance for gusty damaging winds. Rainfall, really our biggest concern here. Temperatures don't change much. We're going to go to mid to upper 80s as multiple storms come through. We might get stuck in the lower 80s as we go into next week. Drier and warmer.